In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an RGB image to CMYK in Photoshop. If you're preparing artwork for print, this is an essential step because most printers use CMYK inks, not the RGB light-based color you see on screens. Converting your file helps ensure colors reproduce more predictably on paper and reduces surprises at the press. First, open your file in Photoshop. This can be any image or design you've been working on in RGB. Once it's open, take a quick moment to make sure you're in the correct document tab and that everything looks as expected. It's always a good idea to work on a copy or be ready to save a new version so you keep your original intact for web or screen use later. Now head to the top menu and choose Image, then Mode, and select CMYK Color. The moment you click CMYK Color, Photoshop switches your document's color mode from RGB to CMYK. This change is instant and happens under the hood, updating how colors are calculated and displayed. You may notice that some bright or neon-like tones look a bit more muted. That's normal. RGB can display a wider range of colors than what CMYK inks can reproduce, so Photoshop maps those out-of-gamut hues to the closest printable equivalents. At this point, your layers and overall structure typically remain in place, but some effects or adjustment layers can look slightly different because the color space has changed. Take a quick look around your image and pay attention to skin tones, brand colors, and areas with intense saturation. If anything looks off, small tweaks after the conversion usually bring it back in line with your intent. If you want to keep both versions, the original RGB for screen and the new CMYK for print, go to File and choose Save as to save a separate copy. Give it a clear name so you can tell them apart at a glance, for example adding .cmyk to the file name. Keeping two versions helps you deliver the right file for the right purpose without compromising either use case. That's the full process. Open your file, switch the mode via Image Mode, CMYK Color, and save as if you want a dedicated print-ready copy. Converting near the end of your design process is a smart habit, and reviewing the image right after the switch ensures you're happy with the final look. With that, your artwork is set up for more consistent results on press, and you're one step closer to a professional print finish.